So hello, I'm going to show you how to fix enable to find Uplay in Rainbow Six Siege. So for the first step, you should go to the Windows taskbar, right click and select Task Manager. After that, go to the search bar and type in Steam. Ensure that the launcher is not running anymore. If you do find it, right click and select End Task. After that, search for Ubisoft or Uplay and ensure that too. Once done, go open the Steam launcher once again. After that, go to the library and then select Collections. Now search for Rainbow Six Siege. When you do find it, ensure that it is installed in your device. After that, go select this manage option and then select properties. After that, go to installed files in the left menu and select verify integrity of game files. Just wait for the process to finish. It will start by verifying any corrupted or missing file will be recovered. After that, all you have to do, go to the Windows icon. After that, go to the settings option. After that, go to the left menu and select Windows Update. Now if you do have any pending Windows update, you should select download and install. If you do have failed updates, just select retry all. After that, go to update history and then deselect the first two. Now go to recovery and select it. After that, select reinstall now, and before doing that, you can select the first option and then go to other troubleshooters. After that, select Windows Update Run button right here and see if that works. Now all you have to do, just go to the Windows icon and try restarting your computer and see if the problem is fixed. If you do find it helpful, please consider subscribing and see you on the next one.